Where do our taxes go? Chismis na chismis! Hi everyone! Stroll with me today as we're going to explore what's in New Star, the mall. Kung maswerte ka nga napilian nga scholar ng bayan, ari ka mag-shopping sa first floor. Or, kung ikaw mismo ang contractor. Charlangs! Makahappy kayo when you already get a chance to buy here in Cebu the brands that we can only see before in BGC or outside the country. OMG, these bags are so cutie. Pa-share ng tax ni Mobi? Charlangs! And this store is so giving where you can check some collector's items. And hey, Outer Buddies, I found our playground here by ROX where we can find outdoor gears for our next adventure. Isn't this chick active girly OTD for me? And if you're also a shoe collector, this shop is for you. But wait, nakabaligyan na ba ang tanan sa mga kidney? Abang-abang sa iPhone 17 release on the store. Palit lang dayon mong betadine dinhi sa third floor. Hay, makalipong ang mga precious sa first floor. Especially the reality nga kitaray gibola sa mga buaya. For now, ari lang sa ta sa third floor to satisfy our cravings and hunger with a lot of food choices. Hoping that pohon, the Philippines would be a better nation with a better economy that even the normies people like us can afford to shop in the first floor. Kanusang tax refund kay mamalit tag bag sa the mall.